The Strategic Guide to Agentic AI Frameworks, Choosing Your Path from LangChain to Agent OS. Introduction, the Agentic AI Revolution. We're witnessing a fundamental transformation in artificial intelligence. The era of simple single-model tools is giving way to sophisticated autonomous reasoning agents capable of complex workflows and multi-agent collaboration. But with this evolution comes a critical decision. Which framework should you choose to build your agentic AI systems? Today, we'll explore 6 leading frameworks: LangGraph, LangChain, AutoGen, CrewAI, Make.com, and an A2N, and introduce the emerging paradigm of Agent OS that's reshaping how we think about scalable agent operations. The framework landscape, understanding your options. LangGraph, the graph-oriented orchestrator. The philosophy. LangGraph represents the pinnacle of structured, persistent multi-agent systems. Built around graph-based orchestration, it treats agent workflows as interconnected nodes in a dynamic graph where agents can loop, collaborate, and maintain persistent memory across complex operations. Architecture deep dive. The system operates through interconnected components: graph nodes, individual agents or processing units, conditional flows, decision points that route workflows based on context, memory persistence, maintains state across agent interactions, looping logic enables iterative refinement and multi-pass processing. Visual workflow. Imagine a network where user input flows through multiple agent nodes, each capable of tool use, with memory components maintaining context and conditional logic directing the flow based on results. The system can loop back for refinement, collaborate between agents, and persist knowledge across sessions. Best applications. Enterprise-grade multi-agent systems, complex workflows requiring persistent collaboration, systems where agents must think, loop, and collaborate at scale, structured business processes with conditional decision trees. When to choose LangGraph. Select LangGraph when your use case demands persistent agent memory and collaboration, complex conditional workflows, modular, durable enterprise solutions, systems that need to evolve and adapt over time. LangChain, the rapid prototyping champion. The approach. LangChain revolutionized AI development by making complex agent creation accessible through sequential chains and modular components. It's the framework that democratized AI agent development, enabling rapid prototyping and iteration. Core components. Sequential chains, linear workflows that pass data between components, tool integration, easy connection to external APIs and services, dynamic agents, flexible agent creation with minimal setup, community ecosystem, extensive library of pre-built components, workflow structure. User queries flow through document processing, vector storage for retrieval, LLM processing with integrated tools, and produce structured output. The system emphasizes speed and simplicity over complex orchestration. Ideal use cases: MVP development and proof of concepts, simple chatbots and Q&A systems, early-stage experiments and learning environments, educational projects and learning environments. Choose LangChain when speed of development is paramount, you need extensive community support, building simple to moderately complex agents, working with limited technical resources. Microsoft AutoGen, the collaborative dialogue system. The vision. AutoGen transforms agent interaction from sequentially processing to dynamic dialogue-based collaboration. It's built on the premise that the most effective AI systems involve meaningful conversation between specialized agents and humans. System architecture. Multiple specialized agents engage in structured dialogues. Role-based agents, each agent has specific expertise and responsibilities. Chat-driven coordination. Agents communicate through natural language. Human in the loop, seamless integration of human oversight. Task delegation, intelligent distribution of work based on agent capabilities. Interaction model. Agents engage in multi-turn conversations, with user input triggering discussions between Agent 1, Agent 2, and additional specialists. The system includes human oversight capabilities and produces collaborative output through structured dialogue. Perfect applications. Collaborative problem-solving requiring multiple perspectives, human-agent hybrid workflows, complex decision-making processes, educational and training environments. Select AutoGen 4. Projects requiring human-agent synergy, conversational coordination between agents, complex problem-solving through dialogue, systems where explainability is crucial. CrewAI, the lightweight agility champion. The philosophy. CrewAI embodies the principle that powerful agent systems don't require heavy infrastructure. It provides maximum flexibility with minimal overhead, making sophisticated agent teaming accessible to agile development environments. Technical approach. Python native, built for Python developers with intuitive APIs, role-specific agents, clear agent specialization and responsibilities, modular design, easy to extend and customize, minimal infrastructure, low resource requirements. System flow, clean, streamlined processing where user requests flow through specialized agent roles, with each with specific tools and capabilities, producing focused output without unnecessary complexity. Best fit scenarios, agile development environments, resource constraint projects, teams wanting maximum control with minimal setup, experimental agent configurations. Choose CrewAI when you need rapid agent deployment, working with limited infrastructure, prioritizing flexibility over features, building custom agent architectures. Make.com, the no-code AI revolution. The innovation, Make.com represents a paradigm shift, bringing sophisticated AI automation to non-technical users through visual drag-and-drop interfaces. It democratizes AI by removing coding barriers while maintaining powerful functionality. Platform capabilities, Visual Builder, intuitive drag-and-drop interface, 2,500 plus integrations, massive ecosystem connectivity. Business logic, complex automation without coding. AI integration, seamless LLM and tool incorporation. Workflow design, users create visual workflows connecting various services, CRM systems, email platforms, data sources, and AI models through an intuitive interface that transforms business logic into automated processes. Optimal applications, business operations automation, marketing and sales workflows, customer service enhancement, data processing and reporting. Select Make.com for non-technical teams needing AI automation, rapid business process automation, extensive third-party integrations, visual workflow design preferences. N8 the developer's visual powerhouse, the balance. N8 strikes the perfect balance between visual simplicity and technical power. It provides a visual node-based interface that appeals to developers while offering the flexibility needed for complex custom implementations. Technical features, node-based UI, visual workflow design with technical depth, self-hosting options, complete data control and customization, extensibility, full scripting and custom node capabilities, LLM integration, native support for language model workflows. Architecture, visual nodes representing different services, data transformations, and AI models connect through an intuitive interface while allowing deep customization and scripting capabilities. Prime use cases, RAG pipeline development, self-hosted automation solutions, data processing workflows, custom integrations requiring both visual design and coding. The emergence of Agent OS beyond individual frameworks. Why frameworks fall short at scale. As organizations move from experimental agent deployments to production-grade systems, individual frameworks face significant limitations, scalability challenges. Single framework solutions struggle with enterprise-scale deployments. Resource management becomes complex across multiple agents. Monitoring and orchestration require additional infrastructure. Operational complexity. Lack of standardized deployment patterns. Limited observability across agent ecosystems. Difficult integration with existing enterprise systems. Reliability concerns. Inconsistent error handling across different frameworks, limited fault tolerance and recovery mechanisms, challenges in maintaining service-level agreements. Introducing Agent OS, the operating system for agents. The vision. Agent OS represents the next evolutionary step, a comprehensive orchestration layer designed specifically for reliable, scalable agent operations. Think of it as the operating system that manages agent lifecycle, resources, and interactions across diverse frameworks. Core capabilities. Universal orchestration, framework-agnostic agent management, unified deployment and scaling, cross-framework agent communication, enterprise infrastructure, built-in monitoring and observability, automated scaling and resource management, integration with enterprise security and compliance systems, operational excellence, standardized deployment patterns, automated testing and validation, production-ready reliability features, developer experience, unified APIs across different agent types, simplified debugging and troubleshooting, comprehensive development tooling. Agent OS architecture components, agent registry, central repository for all agent definitions, capabilities, and dependencies. Resource manager, intelligent allocation of computational resources across agent workloads. Communication layer, standardized protocols for inter-agent communication. Monitoring and analytics, real-time visibility into agent performance, interactions, and outcomes. Security framework, comprehensive security controls, authentication, and authorization. Integration hub, connectors for enterprise systems, databases, and external services. Strategic framework selection guide, decision matrix, Choosing your framework. For rapid prototyping and MVPs. Primary choice, LangChain. Alternative, CrewAI if you prefer lightweight solutions. Considerations, speed of development, community support, learning curve. For complex enterprise systems, primary choice, LangGraph. Alternative, AutoGen if dialogue-based coordination is key. Considerations, scalability needs, persistence requirements, and system complexity. For non-technical teams, primary choice Make.com, alternative N8 if some technical capability exists. Considerations, team technical skills, integration requirements, and budget. For custom development with control, primary choice N8 alternative CrewAI for Python native development. Considerations, hosting preferences, customization needs, and technical expertise. Implementation strategy recommendations. Phase 1, proof of concept. Start with LangChain or CrewAI for rapid prototyping. Focus on core functionality validation.